Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup easy, only way. Sauté mushrooms, onions, and garlic in butter until golden, deglaze with a splash of white wine, then add low-sodium broth and thyme and simmer gently to deepen flavor. Puree part or all for desired texture, stir in cream or milk for richness, season with salt and pepper, and finish with a squeeze of lemon and chopped parsley. Layering flavors is the key to an easy mushroom soup that tastes like it simmered all day. Begin with good butter and aromatic onions, then add garlic, mushrooms, and a pinch of salt to draw out moisture. Deglaze with white wine or a splash of sherry if you like, add low-sodium broth, simmer with thyme, puree to your preference, and finish with cream or a nut milk for a lighter option. If you're enjoying this mushroom soup guide, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker makes kitchen timers and playlists effortless, bringing your space to life with simple voice controls and compact design. It's handy while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals on that Echo Dot and kitchen gear, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters when you want a velvety mushroom soup quickly and without fuss. Cook mushrooms in batches to avoid steaming, reserve some sautéed pieces for texture, then simmer the rest in broth for 10 to 15 minutes. Blend using an immersion blender or in batches in a countertop blender, return to the pot, adjust seasoning, warm through gently, and stir in cream, lemon, or herbs before serving to brighten flavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.